Quick vegan meal ideas in under 30 minutes. 1. Butter tofu curry. The traditional British curry house staple, which uses animal products, has been veganized to provide a decadent weekday meal that comes together in under 30 minutes. It's the ideal quick supper for a night in on the couch after a hard day at work, with crispy high-protein tofu in a rich and creamy tomato-based sauce. 2. Vegetarian tagine with sweet potato, aubergine, and chickpeas. In the colder months, we adore a delicious tagine recipe. This one comes together quickly and is full of comforting spices. If you're cooking for two, you won't need to make dinner the next day because it keeps well and the flavors develop with time. 3. Vegan ale and mushroom stew. When the weather turns chilly, there's nothing cozier than a stew simmering on the stove, but they can take hours to prepare. Making this hearty vegan mushroom and ale stew only takes 30 minutes, so while you wait, you can savor a warm bowl of food. It's autumn comfort food at its finest, loaded with mushrooms that are high in vitamin D. 4. Curry made with vegan chickpeas, spinach, and peanut butter. One of our all-time favorite vegan dishes is curry made with chickpeas and peanut butter. It's oh so Moorish due to the nutty, salty peanut butter, and it's perfect for dish preparation because it gets even more flavorful with time. 5. Stir-fried ginger sesame tempeh. With high-protein tempeh, crisp vegetables, and potent aromatics, this surprisingly easy stir-fry comes together in a flash. Serve this weeknight vegan dinner with steaming jasmine rice to please everyone's taste buds and tummies. 6. Vegan Indonesian tempeh curry. This tempeh curry's beautiful colors will provide a touch of sunshine to your day. It's packed with wholesome components like broccoli, red pepper, and carrots, as well as fragrant flavors like lemongrass and lime that make it sing. 7. Pizza Hawaiian BBQIS pineapple. Okay for pizza, the age-old conundrum? We wholeheartedly endorse it, and anyone who doesn't like pineapple pizza will be won over after making this dish. Instead of the hassle of resting and kneading pizza dough, this simple homemade flatbread base uses a wheat and yogurt mixture. Fresh vegetables, a layer of barbecue sauce, and then a homemade vegan cheese sauce are added on the top. What more may you require for a night of vegan pizza? 8. Pad Thai vegan. This vegan adaptation of the traditional Thai dish is a simple weeknight meal to prepare after a long day at the office and is a perfect way to use up any stir-fry vegetables hiding in the back of your fridge. For a truly authentic experience, garnish with a wedge of lime, fresh coriander, and crumbled toasted peanuts. 9. Quick vegan pak choi and mushroom ramen. Ramen is always ready to come to the rescue when you need a quick vegan lunch. Pak choi and mushrooms give it a vitamin boost, and ginger and star anise give it flavor. To add some vegan protein, we like to sprinkle some crispy tofu on top of our ramen. 10. Vegan king oyster mushrooms with sticky rice in teriyaki sauce. The sweet and salty flavors in this vegan teriyaki mushroom dish are the best. The delicious mushrooms and their sticky glaze sauce ought to be celebrated. For a fast and simple vegan dinner that is done in 30 minutes, serve them on top of a fluffy bed of rice. If you are interested in more vegan recipes, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.